Hey everyone, welcome to the series finale of this series where I taught you how to solve the 3 by 3. And congratulations if you could solve it, really well done. And if you couldn't, then it's totally alright, nothing to fret or worry about. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating some walkthrough solves, and I'll be using the exact same method that I have preached in the last 5 videos. So you can just follow along if you would like to. I'll put the scrambles up here as well as in the description. So if you can't scramble as fast, it's not an issue. Just pause the video, scramble it, and then just follow along. Alright? So let's get right into this. So just remember, scrambling orientation is green front and white top. This is the first scramble, and the first thing I do is I keep white on the bottom, right? So now I search for pieces in the top layer. So here I see white green, right? White green edge piece or cross piece has to go between the white and green centers. So I get it on top. It's flipped, right? So F2 won't work. So I move it to the side, bring it here, put it in, bring it back. That's all green. Moving on, I see, I see here white blue, where I can just get it up here. Once it's up here, I see it's flipped. Since it's flipped, move it to the side, get it here, put it in, get it back. Quite simple. We solved blue and green. Next I see orange, right? Orange again, now it's flipped. It's already in the right place, but it's flipped. So I get it to the top, move it to the side, put it in, push it here, and get this back. Don't forget, it's a very important move, so you don't disturb this. Finally, I see red. Now you guys might be wondering, like I never covered this, but you might be wondering what to do if the cross piece is stuck inside here. It's totally not an issue. You just move it to the top layer, get it wherever you want, and just put this back, alright? Don't forget to put this back, because you solved it. Why would you want to unsolve it? So now once you've got the last piece here, you see, I see this is just on top, so I just do that. I've solved the cross, hooray. So then I see my first white, green, red is here. I get it on top of the white, green, red slot. I make white face me. Once white is facing me, move it out of the way, get it up, move it in, get it back. Here's white, red, blue. Get it above this. White is facing me. Move it out of the way, get it up, move it in, get it back. Next, white, blue, orange. Wow, this is setting up really nicely. Get it above the slot. White is facing me. Move it out, get it up, move it in, get it back. Finally, white, green, orange. Get it above the slot. White is not facing me, so I'll make white face me. Move it out, move it up, move it in, get it back. First layer solved, guys. First layer solved. Then I see red, blue here, right? So I instantly try to align it with red. And this is luckily already solved. I'm not gonna complain. I aligned it with red. Once aligned with red, I need to see where it goes. It goes to the left. Once I see it goes to the left, I move it to the right, get the slot up, move it to the left, get the slot down. I made a pair. Oh wait, this is just like a first layer case. So I make white face me. Once white is facing me, I move it to the left, get it up, move it to the right, get it in. That's all the edge. Then I see blue and orange. Now I pair it with blue. Does it go to the right or the left? It goes to the left. If it goes to the left, move it right, get the slot up, move it in, get it down. Once that is done, make white face me, move it in, move it out of the way, get this up, move it in, get it back. Finally, the last piece is here, orange, green, so I aligned with orange. Please guys remember, if this was green I would put it here, but it's orange. Orange, green, so I'm aligned with orange. It has to go to the left, everything had to go to the left in this example. I didn't ask for it. But yeah, 2 layers solved. Next, I see orientation of the top layer and I see this. 2 adjacent edges are oriented. I treat it like an inverted L, make it face the back right of my vision. Then, since it's inverted L, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. I have solved the edges. Then corners. This corner is unoriented. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. Get this here. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. Pretty simple. Then permute first the corners, right? Why did I start it? Anyway, permute the corners of the last layer. So I see headlights, right? If I see headlights, very good. Put the headlights at the back. R prime, F, R prime, B2. R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. Hooray! Now there's a solved thing. Let me just solve it here. Red, all good. Put the solved thing at the back. The edges. Blue goes here, green goes here, orange comes here. Counterclockwise. F2, U prime, L, R prime. F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. Cube is solved. So if you guys could follow along, it's really good. And if you couldn't follow along, well, just go through the videos again, because everything has been explained in detail there. And I personally don't actually see the need to do 3 solves. So I'm just going to do one more and I'm going to stop it because I feel like you guys should explore on your own, and doing 3 solves just becomes too much, like it's useless. So here's the next scramble. So this is an next scramble, and here we see white red is already solved here. So let me just get it to where it belongs, right? Pretty simple thing I did there, no, nothing special. Next I see white orange. I get it to the top of where it has to go. So I'll be doing this solve a little faster. Get it to the top. It is flipped, so I do this. Next, green white. Get it to above where it needs to go. It is not flipped, it is correct. F2. Pretty simple. Last one here. Get it to the top. It is flipped. Get it out of the way. Put it in, get it back. That's it. Then I see white, orange, blue. Get it above where it has to go. White is facing me. Insert like this. White, blue, red. Get it above where it has to go. White is facing me. Insert like this. Well, here's another thing. So here I see the last 2 corners are already in here, but they're wrong. So I will just imagine that some corner needs to go in this place, and that kicks this out. So it's really simple, guys. It's really simple. Then white, green, orange, get it above where it has to go. White is not facing me here, so I make it face me. Move it out of the way, get this up, move it in, get it back. Same thing here, white, green, red needs to go here. White is not facing me, make it face me. Move it out, get it up, move it in, get it back. First layer is done. Next layer, I see green, red. Green, red needs to go to the left because green aligned with green and not with red, because that's how green works. That's how any color works. So this goes to the left, so move it to the right, get this up, move it in, get it back. Treat it like a first layer corner case. White is facing me. Pretty simple. Now guys, what do? All yellow edges in the top layer, nothing to solve. Yep, you guessed it. Insert a random edge in a random place to kick out a piece. I'll insert this here for no valid reason, for a very valid reason, but it seems like there's no valid reason. So now orange green is out here. Orange green needs to, I aligned with orange, needs to go to the left. Move to the right, get it up, move back, get it back. White faces me, insert. Red blue, already aligned with red, needs to go to the left. Move it out, get it up, move it in, get it back. Insert like first layer. Orange blue aligns with orange, goes to the right. So move it to the left, get this up, move it back, get it back. Treat it like a first layer case. We're done. Finally, OLL. We have 2 adjacent oriented edges. Keep it in the back, inverted L facing to the back right. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Then we have this, and I just need to orient all the corners. So take all of them are unoriented, so I can just go R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. This got oriented, move it over. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, oriented, move it over. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. Oriented, move it over. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. Now all the corners are oriented. All the pieces, all the, last layer is oriented. Now I see headlights, right? So guys, if you have a solid bar, it's still headlights because the corners still are solid, right? Headlights at the back. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. Blue is solid, keep solid at the back. Red goes to the left, orange comes here. Clockwise cycle. F2, U, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U, F2. Cube is solved. Yay! So guys, thanks a lot for staying tuned to this series. I really hope you've learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and if you have, then show your friends, flex your new skill, and feel really proud of yourself because there's a very small percentage of the world that can actually do this, people in the world. So if you found this content helpful, and if you found this series especially helpful, then do spread the word. Tell, as much as you can, spread cubing. That is the motto of this channel. Just spread cubing and let people learn and let people know what's going on. So it's so easy to solve the Rubik's Cube. Just tell your friends, and yeah, do subscribe, do like the video. I don't usually say these in my videos for those of you who've been following me from the start, but now I have to because it helps grow, right? It helps the community grow, it helps the channel grow. So yeah, I will stop ranting there. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. Let's see what's coming next. Do stay tuned to the channel as well. So I'll see you in the next video. For now, that's it. Bye bye.